Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize control for your headphones Baseus Bowie H1. So basically we can customize only this multifunctional button located at the right ear cup, and we can add double press and triple press for this button. By default you use double press but not triple press. So you need to open Baseus app, and of course you need to add your headphones to the application. Then tap at your headphones here and go to gesture settings. And right here, as you can see, oh sorry, I said double press, I mean triple press, that it use triple press to call voice assistant, and you can change it for ANC. Yes, on the left earbud we have ear cup, we have ANC button, but still you can add it if you want to. And it's the same with the double press. For the multifunctional button you can only add to call voice assistant or to swap between ambient sound control modes. So let's say I wanna call voice assistant with that, and I just click on it. With the triple press I wanna swap between ambient sound control modes, so I select it here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!